Hi friends, welcome to International Maths Olympiad Videos, Standard 10th, video number 19, Linear Equations in Two Variables, Section A, Easy. Let's start. Ax plus by plus c does not represent an equation of line when. So what is the equation of line? Equation of line is there should be 1 degree x, 1 degree y and constant. If it is there, it's okay. If it's not there, then also it's okay. But x and y should be there. Okay. So for any equation to be an equation of a line, it must have x or y with degree 1. So if a equals to 0 and b equals to 0, remember both, we get c equals to 0, which is not the equation of the line, right? Suppose, getting it? Here, suppose this is 2, c equals to 2, constant, it's basically c equals to 2. Now x and y are 0, then 2 equals to 0. Is it possible? No. But important point is both should be 0. It should not be that x equals to 0 and b is not y is not equals to 0. Even if y is not equals to 0, then also it's a line. Okay. Even if x is not equals to 0 and y is equals to 0, then also it's a line, right? Okay. If a line has only y and constant, then it is parallel to x-axis. Similarly, if it has only x and a constant, then it is parallel to y-axis. Next is in triangle ABC, c equals to 3. To watch the videos further, kindly download YogaGuru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos: IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.